Hey guys, welcome to Adventures of Carlienne. I'm Adrienne, and thanks for joining us on this cooking series where we get to share all of our love in the kitchen. This month we are challenging ourselves to cook a different kind of egg every day. So let's get started.
Recording.
Vietnamese egg coffee. I've never attempted this. This could be a disaster. I hear it's really hard to make, but I don't think it's really hard to make. I just feel like that's what people say because they don't want to give away the recipe, but I feel like I know what the recipe is, so I'm going to try to make it so then I can have my own recipe for this one. So let's go!